Hi, this is Ira Monica and my brand name is Alina Salaris. I want to challenge myself by making a social media detox. While I'm still in the middle of figuring this life, I'm an aspiring vlogger, podcaster, and also a writer. I also finished my nursing course in college, but I am also in my identity crisis right now. So, while I'm figuring this life, I want to bring you in this journey. Narealize ko kasi na kaya ang unrealistic para sa akin ang ginagawa ng iba kasi they have the money to get less access sa social media. Kasi it is hard to make it a reality na alisin na lang sa buhay natin yung social media unless we find ways to replace it. That is the only solution. We have to replace it with something more entertaining than scrolling social media. Kaya, hindi gumagana yung sinasabi ng iba na magbasa ka daw ng books, mag-yoga ka. It's hard kasi hindi naman yun entertaining. It's boring. So, na ang buhay, walang social media ay hindi talaga book-based where we read and suddenly embracing our boredom. Chances are, malaki ang possibility na magka-withdrawal or relapse. So, we really need to find our identity. Kung sino ba talaga tayo. Saan ba tayo mahilig na gumagalaw ang kamay or paa natin pero di humahawak ng cellphone like walking or jogging or going to the gym or exercising, drawing din pero syempre hindi naman yan mapupuno ang araw natin. Magkakaroon ng gaps or spaces and suddenly what's next? Ano ngayon kung tapos na mag-journal, mag-matcha, mag-jogging, I still have 12 hours to live. Then na-realize ko since I am poor nga, there are ways para magamit ang kamay at paa natin na we forget it is also a hobby just because it's not aesthetic. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang pero wala pa akong nakitang influencers na nag-recommend nito when it is actually more helpful than any other aesthetic hobbies. Yun ay walang iba kung hindi ang household chores. So today, I'm going to romanticize household chores. Since maikli ang attention span natin, doing chores is actually something that can fill the gaps of our day na minsan pa nga, hindi lang filling the gaps kung hindi almost or even the whole day can be put on into that chores. So, it's a good replacement din kung walang pera sa suggestion ng iba na go out daw and explore, mag-self-date ka, mag-coffee, or run errands outside, mag-mall, and observe the world. Mag-hiking ka, mag-swimming, or anything na ma-entertain ka. But, since we are poor, we can't afford to do that. It needs money din kasi, and the goal is to distract yourself from touching your phone. So, the only advice is we should always look up to our identity. Kung sino lang tayo at hanggang anong resources lang ang kaya natin. Because we can always copy other people's life. Afford nila yun eh. So, yun yung distracting method nila. But not because uso yun na yung standard. Doesn't mean it fixes us.
So, then is stretching. Nagawa ko din yan. Show me how You care. Tell me how you love before. Show me how.
So it is 4:18 p.m. right now and I'm trying to change my life. So here are my uncleaned running shoes because we're going to take a jog. And pardon because you're going to see a messy room because I am not yet cleaning this. Birthday! Year 2026. Happy birthday, New Year. Oh yeah. Kain na na! Ano? Picture na tayo. Wala pa kalas doon. Picture na! Tatay, bumangon ka naman na! Magpalit ka na! Nanay, si Koke. Wala na, nalis na.
Papalit.
Magpalit ka! Ayun na!
Ano ba tayo?
Ano, 11.
Mag-picture na tayo.
Ay, nakadami.
Di ba na-send?
Si Irop na lang, Irop ng Irop. Ano?
Di ba na-send yan?
Or exercise